Today we embark on a journey through the life and legacy of one of history's most extraordinary figures, Albert Einstein. His name is synonymous with genius, revolutionizing not only the field of physics, but also our fundamental understanding of the universe. Born in 1879, Einstein's contributions transcended scientific boundaries, reshaping philosophy, technology, and even popular culture. His life story is a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and unyielding intellect. From his humble beginnings to his status as a global icon, Einstein's journey is as inspiring as it is remarkable. Let us explore the man behind the legend, whose ideas continue to illuminate the path of human knowledge. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, a small city in the Kingdom of Württemberg, Germany. His parents, Hermann and Pauline Einstein, were middle-class Jews, and his father worked as a salesman and engineer. From an early age, Einstein exhibited an insatiable curiosity, often questioning the world around him. Unlike many children, he was slow to speak, which led some to believe he might have a learning disability. However, this delay was merely a prelude to the brilliance that would later unfold. At the age of 5, his father showed him a pocket compass, sparking a lifelong fascination with the mysteries of science. His family moved to Munich when he was a year old, where he began his formal education. Though he excelled in mathematics and physics, he struggled with the rigid structure of traditional schooling, often clashing with authority figures. This tension foreshadowed his later reputation as a nonconformist. Einstein's passion for learning led him to devour books on science and philosophy, often teaching himself advanced concepts. At 16, he renounced his German citizenship to avoid military service and joined his family in Italy, where they had relocated. He later enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, a decision that would set the stage for his future achievements. It was here that he met Mileva Maric, a fellow physics student who would become his first wife. Despite financial struggles and academic challenges, Einstein's determination never wavered, laying the foundation for a career that would redefine science. Einstein's ascent to fame was neither instantaneous nor straightforward. After graduating in 1900, he faced significant difficulties finding an academic position, eventually settling for a job as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland. This period, often referred to as his miracle year, was paradoxically one of his most productive. In 1905, while working full-time at the patent office, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers in the journal Annalen der Physik. These papers addressed the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy, encapsulated in the famous equation E=mc². The photoelectric effect paper, which explained how light could eject electrons from metals, later earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. His theory of special relativity challenged the Newtonian view of space and time, introducing the concept that time is not absolute, but relative to the observer's motion. This radical idea initially met with skepticism, but as experimental evidence mounted, Einstein's reputation grew. By 1915, he had developed his general theory of relativity, which described gravity as the curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. The confirmation of this theory during the 1919 solar eclipse, when British astronomer Arthur Eddington observed the bending of starlight near the sun, catapulted Einstein to global fame. Newspapers around the world hailed him as a scientific revolutionary, and his name became synonymous with genius. Einstein's rise was not just scientific, but also cultural. He became a symbol of intellectual prowess, his wild hair and thoughtful gaze making him instantly recognizable. His outspoken views on pacifism, Zionism, and civil rights further cemented his status as a public figure. By the 1920s, Einstein was no longer just a physicist. He was an icon, admired and celebrated far beyond the confines of academia. Albert Einstein's major discoveries are the cornerstones of modern physics, each one reshaping our understanding of the universe in profound ways. His work on the photoelectric effect, special relativity, general relativity, and the quest for a unified field theory are among his most significant contributions. The photoelectric effect, for which Einstein won the Nobel Prize, was a pivotal moment in the development of quantum theory. Einstein proposed that light behaves not just as a wave, but also as a stream of particles called photons. This dual nature of light was revolutionary and laid the groundwork for quantum mechanics, a field that would dominate 20th century physics. His explanation of how light interacts with matter provided the theoretical foundation for technologies like solar panels and digital cameras. Special relativity, published in 1905, introduced the idea that space and time are intertwined into a single continuum known as spacetime. Einstein's theory posited that the laws of physics are the same for all observers moving at constant speeds, and that the speed of light is the ultimate speed limit in the universe. This theory led to mind-bending concepts like time dilation, where time slows down for objects moving at high speeds, and length contraction, where objects appear shorter in the direction of motion. Special relativity also gave birth to the famous equation E equals mc squared, which revealed the equivalence of mass and energy and explained the enormous energy released in nuclear reactions. Einstein's general theory of relativity, published in 1915, expanded on special relativity by incorporating gravity. He proposed that gravity is not a force, as Newton had believed, but rather the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. This theory predicted phenomena like the bending of light around massive objects, gravitational time dilation, and the existence of black holes. The confirmation of these predictions, such as the bending of starlight during the 1919 solar eclipse, catapulted Einstein to global fame and cemented his reputation as a scientific genius. Beyond these theories, Einstein spent the latter part of his career searching for a unified field theory, a single framework that could explain all the fundamental forces of nature. Although he never succeeded in this quest, his efforts inspired generations of physicists to continue the search for a theory of everything. Einstein's discoveries were not just scientific breakthroughs. They were revolutions that transformed our perception of reality itself. Einstein's impact on science is unparalleled. His relativity theories replaced Newton's absolute universe with a dynamic spacetime, enabling GPS and black hole research. Quantum mechanics, born from his photoelectric effect, powers modern electronics. His work inspired cosmology, leading to the Big Bang theory and dark energy studies. Einstein's emphasis on imagination, logic will get you from A to Z, imagination will get you everywhere, reshaped scientific thinking. He encouraged questioning, collaboration, and interdisciplinary research. Even his failures, like the unified field theory, spurred progress. Today, his equations guide space exploration, particle physics, and technology. Einstein didn't just advance science. He redefined what was possible, leaving a legacy that continues to push humanity's boundaries. Einstein's personal life was as unique as his mind. Known for his disheveled hair and absent-mindedness, he was deeply human. He married Mileva Merrick in 1903, fathering Hans Albert and Eduard, but their marriage ended in 1919. He then married Elsa Lowenthal, his cousin, who supported him until her death in 1936. A passionate violinist and sailor, Einstein valued simplicity, humor, and friendship. He was a vocal advocate for civil rights, opposing racism and supporting Zionism while promoting Arab-Jewish coexistence. Despite fame, he remained humble, once saying, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." His letters reveal a warm, introspective man who cherished freedom and truth. Einstein's character, rebellious, compassionate, and endlessly curious, made him not just a scientist, but a global inspiration. In his later years, Einstein's health declined, but his mind stayed sharp. After Elsa's death in 1936, he lived with his stepdaughter Margot in Princeton. He continued working on his unified field theory, though it remained unfinished. Politically active, he opposed nuclear weapons and advocated for global peace, famously signing the letter urging U.S. atomic research. On April 17, 1955, an abdominal aneurysm ruptured. Refusing surgery, he said, "It is tasteless to prolong life artificially." He died the next day at 76. His brain was preserved for study, and his ashes were scattered secretly. Einstein's death marked the end of an era, but his legacy endured. His final words, spoken in German, remain a mystery, adding to the enigma of a man who changed how we see the universe. Einstein's legacy is immortal. His name symbolizes genius, his theories underpin modern physics, and his image is iconic. Relativity enabled GPS, black hole research, and cosmology, while quantum mechanics powers technology. His advocacy for peace, civil rights, and education inspires activists. Einstein's emphasis on creativity and questioning authority reshaped scientific culture. Institutions like the Einstein Archives preserve his work, and his quotes, "Imagination is more important than knowledge," motivate millions. Though he never won a Nobel for relativity, his 1921 prize cemented his fame. Today, scientists still seek his unified theory, and his influence extends to art, philosophy, and pop culture. Einstein didn't just leave a legacy, he redefined what it means to be a visionary. Albert Einstein's life was a testament to the power of curiosity and perseverance. From a struggling patent clerk to a global icon, he reshaped science and culture. His theories unlocked the universe's secrets, while his humanity reminded us of the importance of compassion and imagination. Einstein's story proves that brilliance often thrives outside convention. As we reflect on his legacy, we're reminded that the greatest discoveries begin with a single question. His life challenges us to think differently, dream boldly, and never stop exploring. Thank you all for watching this video. Feel free to comment, and please subscribe to support the channel and the team.